Today, the topic is power of devotion. Bhakti ki Shakti. That God wanted us to prepare the ground, prepare the stage, and have the preparation for the devotees who were coming from so far. It was sunny day, number one, beach has to be very crowded, and because of this cloudy weather, beach was free, people were away from the sea. And second, the people who are working there, the devotees who are giving their hearts, their devotion to serve people, God is so concerned about those devotees also कि उनको धूप में काम ना करना पड़े. That there should be shade, there should be nice weather for those devotees, that at least they are not working in the heat. And it happened. But at the same time, when it went on and on, these cloudy weathers, and it started windy weather, so they were concerned, now what if it rains? The whole preparation will go in vain. If it rains, people are coming from so far, लोग इतनी दूर दूर से आ रहे हैं, अगर बरसात हो गई तो क्या होगा, तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा सब. Look at again, the whole weather became so clear. It became so sunny that you could have the darshan of the sunset at the sea. For the arti, if it was too much windy, was not easy. But at the same time, when arti time was there, before that even, the preparation was again made by the divine. Wind stopped, it was very nice weather, very cool. We could have the darshan of sunset, and at the same time we could perform the arti very comfortably. How it happens when you have a faith? How it happens when you work selflessly, when you work not for yourself but for the sake of others, when you are preparing the ground or preparing the ceremony to give comfort to others, God helps. Every minute God is there, but you must maintain your faith. Few people were concerned, others said, don't worry, things will go great, you will see, last minute arti will be great and everybody will enjoy the arti. There will be no wind, there will be no clouds, no rain, and this happened. मुझे तो लगता है कि लोग MBA करते हैं, they go to Harvard, they go to different universities to do business management administration. But मुझे तो लगता है कि मुझे नहीं मालूम है कि Rajesh has done MBA. I don't know what degree he has, but MDA definitely he has. The management of devotional administration. Definitely he has MDA, and God has given yesterday to him and to his entire team the certificate. पक्की बात है ये. जब दूसरों के लिए आप समर्पित हो जाते हैं, समाज के लिए आप समर्पित हो जाते हैं, तो भरत जी जब राम जी को मिलने के लिए, इट्स अ वेरी फेमस स्टोरी ऑफ फ्रॉम रामायण, भरत जी जब श्री राम को मिलने के लिए चित्रकूट जाते हैं, राम जंगल में चले गए, वनवास उनको होता है, और जब जंगल में जाते हैं तो भरत के लिए, क्योंकि भरत की मां कैकेयी ने राज्य मांगा था, तो राज्य भरत के लिए छोड़कर राम वनवास चले जाते हैं। और जब जंगल में होते हैं, जंगल में भरत मिलने के लिए आते हैं, क्योंकि he didn't like the idea. He said, what? How I can accept this kingdom? I am the younger one, Shri Ram is the elder one, and this is our tradition. From dynasty after dynasty, the elder one takes the kingdom, and the younger one serve the kingdom. My elder brother is alive, how can enjoy the kingdom? He left the kingdom and went to Shri Ram. चले गए श्री राम के पास. And the story says in the Ramayana, when Bharat is going to Shri Ram, गर्मी का मौसम, scorching heat. In India, you know, 110 degrees and sometime 115 degrees, 120 degrees sometime. Scorching heat. लेकिन जब आप भगवान के लिए मिलने के लिए चलते हैं, जब आप समाज के काम कर लेके निकलते हैं, जब आप अपने लिए नहीं दूसरों के लिए जीते हैं, स्टोरी कहती है कि उसमें क्लाउड्स आ जाते हैं. जहां जहां भरत चलते हुए जाते हैं, ऊपर से क्लाउड उनको छाया करते हुए चलते हैं. ऑल द वे, पूरा, और कहीं भी भरत को धूप नहीं लगी और छाया ही छाया में भरत चलते चले जा रहे हैं. क्यों होता है ऐसा? जब आप समाज के काम के लिए करते हैं तो प्रकृति भी आपकी हेल्प करती है. ना, how to bring this devotion? When I entered the 12th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita was being sung by everybody. The mantra, when I came on the stage, the mantra was being sung, Santushta Satatam Yogi Yatatma Drida Nishchayaha Mayyarpit Mano Buddhir Yo Mad Bhakta Same Priyaha. This 12th chapter gives you the qualification of a devotee. Who is a devotee? And God tells you who is devoted to me, who is my devotee, what are his qualities. And God himself says who is beloved to me. We say you are my beloved. God is telling who is beloved to me. Who is my devotee? He said Santushta. Santushta. The first qualification is not the MBA. The first qualification of MDA is Santushta. Santushta means content. Santushta means ever happy. Santushta means blissful. Santushta means always lives in ecstasy. I have heard, I don't know which country in Europe, somewhere there is a pill. When you take that pill called ecstasy, you feel high. Where is that pill? In Britain or somewhere I heard. There is a pill, ecstasy. If you take that pill, you feel high. But for how long? And there is a hangover. You cannot feel high forever. Even the pill is called, the tablet is called ecstasy. But Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, there is a way. There is a way. If you take that pill of devotion, pill of bhakti, and you can see the Shakti of bhakti, and you can feel always high and no hangover. No hangover. And when this happens, then what happens? Bole santushta. The first thing is santushta. Person always remains happy no matter what happens. Things happen. It's not things will not happen. It's not that if you follow the path of devotion, things will not happen. Things are going to happen. Even when the incarnations of the divine came on this earth, take anyone, whether it's Krishna or Christ, whether you take in Judaism or Islam or Hinduism or any religion you take, when these prophets also came, these messengers also came, the Son of God or God himself came in a human form, they also had to go through these difficulties, but they have showed the path. Man muskai bhanu kul bhanu. When the exile was given to Sri Ram, at that time, man muskai bhanu kul bhanu. No grumbling, no complaining. Even Lakshman for a second, he said, Bhaiya, we are not going to the forest and I will not let you go to the forest. Our father has made commitment to our mother. But what is our fault? Why we should go? Let him make the commitment. But we are not going to go to the forest. You are not born for the forest. You live in the kingdom. You reign the kingdom. You are the king. And I will see who sends you to the forest. Very angry. But Ram is Ram. He said, no. And it's a long story. But the bottom line is, man muskahi bhanukul bhanu. Not even for a fraction of a second, he became sad. What? I was just going to be crowned king and now I am being sent to the forest. Why? Not why. Not even one time. That's the true sign of a devotion. That's the true sign of a divinity. That is not that I am crying all the time. Why me? Why me all the time is being tested? Why I am going through the test? Why God you are testing me all the time? Why I am always broken and going through these pains and sufferings? I am going through these troubles and turbulences. It happens. But say it's not that this will not happen. This will happen. But the devotee who follows the path of the divine, देवो भूत्वा देवम यजेत, पूजा का मतलब ही है कि जो हमारे प्रभु ने किया मैं वैसा बनने की कोशिश करूं. यही तो पूजा है. जो मैं जिनकी मैं पूजा करता हूं, जैसे वो जिन्होंने जब प्रॉब्लम आई, when this happened in his own life, how he behaved, how he took the pain, how he took the suffering. Look at Jesus. How he took that pain when he was being crucified. For a second it came to his mind, but immediately he said, forgive, O Lord, them, they don't know what they are doing to me. Look at that. For 1 second everything changed. And praise to the Lord, forgive them. This is power of divinity. The situation arises in our life also. How we should behave. Stay calm. It's not easy. That's why you need devotion. That's why you need meditation. That's why you need every day getting connection, making the appointment, what she was trying to say. Every day, make that appointment. Be there. Even sometime your mind is wandering. Don't worry. You be there. Be there. Close your eyes and get connected to the divine insurance company. Get connected. Man musakaye bhanukul bhanu, that will happen to you also, that you will also smile. The trouble will come, the problem will come, but you will smile. And when the smile is maintained, when the smile is there, then you think devotion is working, the divinity is working in us. So santushta. Today, a person who is santushta, content. Today we are also happy, but our happiness is not a true happiness. Our enjoyment, our satisfaction is not a true enjoyment and true happiness. It's not the happiness which stays ever. That satisfaction, that happiness is temporary.